What's up guys, this is D'Artagnan and I'm back with another video. And guys, today I'm going to show you how you can find a design on Etsy to start your t-shirt business. Yes, there's plenty of designs that you can purchase for your Cricut to make your t-shirt and start your business. Because I know sometimes it's maybe hard to come up with different concepts, different designs, but why not get started by buying something that are already made? So hey, let's go check them out. Alright guys, so now we're here on Etsy, of course. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can find these designs. And of course, sometimes, like as you can see, even down here with some designs that I was recently looking up, I'm pretty sure these are different companies and most people have the same design. It just depends on how you market it. And different people have different brands and different styles that they do different the same design. So you just gotta find what's gonna work for you and what you like and how you market it and how you put it out there for people to see. But let's go up here and just search up Cricut designs, SVGs. Okay, so look, as you can see, a bunch of files that you can just download right now to get started. This is all you need. Especially, look, got one here for Halloween and Thanksgiving, so we know that's coming up. That's gonna be a major deal. So this can pretty much get you going and get you to making a whole lot of money on Etsy just with those SVGs. And I'm going to show you guys and design a shirt because I bought two already, and look, they're pretty cheap for these files. So you got $3.75 right here, $3.75 right here, and this is for a whole lot of files. Let's see. So yeah, let's take a look. Look at all these designs. All these designs for you to get started right now, to get started today. Which isn't bad. And of course, this is for if you got a Cricut, like if you're doing other styles and or other heat transfers, like you can get the full colors and all those things. You just gotta search it up, and why not buy it? So as long as you buy it, it's not that you're taking or stealing or copyrighting from somebody else. When you bought it, they gave you permission to use it. Basically, you just can't resell the file. So that's all you gotta do. Because like I said, everybody's on here pretty much selling almost like the same design. They're just making it their own. So you just gotta do something, find a design that you can make your own that's gonna draw the traffic. So yeah, you see all these. And like I said, I had already here on my email already bought two 95 cents. This one was 95 cents, and I'm gonna show y'all. Of course, you can see the download. Shout out to Jane Joe Art for the design, and Hub Studio. I bought two designs from them. So, hey guys, now let me show y'all how we do this in the Cricut. So this is the design I have in the Cricut that I'm gonna be using. And guys, I've seen a bunch of people use this, but I also see a bunch of people just make it their own, that type of shirt, this style of shirt. So you just find, like, people use different brands. People want certain brands out there. Like I mentioned before, people want Bella Canvas, people want Next Level, people want certain Gilded, people want sweaters, people might want, a hoodie. So somebody may not be putting this on a hoodie, but you may be putting it on a hoodie. So, and we're gonna get ready to cut this out and make this, because I actually like this. I'm actually wear this and promote it and stuff like that. So, but hey guys, it's easy. Said that it's easy, it's simple. Just go out there and find a design. But guys, I'm gonna get ready, go ahead and cut this up and show y'all how I look on the shirt. So let's see. And there you have it, folks. Stay humble, hustle hard. So, hey, I think it came out pretty good. As y'all can see, I know it's just letters, it's just words, but you see the design came out perfect, came out the same way that I bought it, came out. And the great thing about when you use the Cricut is that even though the SVG was only in the font was in black, you can still use any color you want to when it comes to the Cricut. You just gotta put it on there and match it and design it however you want to design it. Once you put it on the mat and cut it out and stuff like that. But guys, this is the finished product. Definitely gonna have to wear this because I like it. I think it came out great. Perfect size, everything, perfect measurements. So definitely gonna have to wear this. But guys, it's easy, it's simple. Don't make it too hard on yourself. Hey, sometimes you gotta spend money to make money. Alright, so go out. If you don't have designs yourself, go find something. Hey, that's how you can get started. Start your t-shirt business. Find those designs and get to printing. Get to printing them out and get to marketing. Okay? But guys, that's all I have for this video. If you like this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Tell me what more do y'all want to see, because I'm going to be pushing out content. So, hey, I'm going to help you start your business, okay? But you got to put in the work. You got to do what you need to do. But that's all I have, guys. This was Dartana. Y'all be blessed, be the best, and be you. I'm out.